Here's a quick video to show you how to connect your copper water lines to a SharkBite valve. It's really simple to do. It's the same procedure for all the different valves that it comes with. This is a 1/2 inch. I got my 1/2 inch line right here. The first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that you sand down the outside and clean up the inside of these copper water lines before you put it on. I'll show you how to do that right here. This is a 1/2 inch line. Take my 1/2 inch brush like this. Then we're going to sand the outside as well. You can see that it's ready to go. This tool is super important. I got a link below for this one if you need it. Another tool that's important is this. This is a depth finder for the SharkBite. What you're going to do is take it and put it over the top, the 1/2 inch side. You're going to take a marker and mark where you're at right there. So now you know that when you put this SharkBite valve on, it has to go down to that mark to make sure it's secure and it won't leak on you. Finally, you're going to take the valve itself, place it over the end just like this. You're going to push it until it gets down to that line. Just like that. And with that, this side is connected. We'll do the same thing to the other side. We'll go ahead and mark it. Push it in just like so. And you are good to go. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.